So many dubs that sequence on plays. Sound boys living in fear, wondering if and when he's gonna disappear.
Yo, big up to my sound system family. This is Jimmy Sequence. I am coming to you to invite you and all within the Dade, Broward, Palm Beach County areas to come check out the sound this Friday night. That will be Friday the 13th. Sequence Black Scorpio. If you haven't heard about it, seen it on my channel, seen it on the sound channel, seen it, heard it on the radio, because it's been on the radio for a while. We've been trying to promote this for a while. That would be Sequence Black Scorpio at the Club Cutters. That's the Club Cutters at 27th Avenue off of Broward Boulevard. You will have the Big Bad Sequence alongside Black Scorpio, and you don't know Scorpio a big sound from a long time. For all of you that is in the game, I know about the game, you know Scorpio is a big producer from a long time. A lot of the Big Bad song them where we have play as sound people, Scorpio produced them from back in the days. So yeah, it should be a really nice dance. It brings me back to the days when we used to have the big songs from Jamaica coming here. And generally speaking, we have played with practically all of them. This is the first time we're playing with Scorpio, but it should be a really nice dance. Saying Scorpio no tune and you don't know Byron no tune like that, so it should be a really nice dance. And I will be testing out my new CVR 4302 in real life for the first time. I've tested it in the garage. I love how it sounds in the garage. I have every reason to believe it's going to be extremely wicked in the dancehall, but you know, we'll see it when it happens, and I'll be, showing you guys as it happens. So this Friday we're going to be playing 4W18. It's not really that big. It's not a big place like that. So I'll be playing 4W18 inside of Club Cutters in Broward County, Florida. And I'm inviting all of you guys to come out and check out the dance, because it should be an epic dance. The venue is not big, but it should be a really nice dance regardless. Just come out and support the thing. And come here, the machine got a machine up. Let me tell us the machine up. Machine up, the tapping, everything up right now, the bass and the tapping, everything is upgraded. All of the amps that I'm using are upgraded. I took off all the smaller amps and just upgrade everything. So everything is playing with double the power that's necessary. So it's playing. It should be playing at its maximum efficiency. In terms of headroom, I have a lot of headroom everywhere, and the bass, on the mid bass, on the high mids, and the horns and tweeter have extremely high headroom. So come check it out. It should be nice, alright? Big up to all that man them. Just come check out the thing and support the thing. Respect. I'll see you on the next video.
Broken-hearted sound boy, turning into dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates.